Welcome. In today's video, we're walking through a quick and simple guide on how to enable Incognito pop-up notifications on Chrome. If you've been wondering how to turn this feature on, stay tuned because I'll take you through every step clearly so you can set it up in just a couple of minutes. First, let's begin by going straight into your phone settings. This is where all the app-level permissions and controls are managed. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps and give it a tap. This is where all of your installed applications are listed. Next, look for Chrome on that list. It might be somewhere in the middle depending on how many apps you have. But once you find Chrome, tap on it to open its settings. Inside the Chrome app settings, you'll see an option for notifications. Go ahead and tap it. This is where you can control which types of notifications Chrome is allowed to show on your device. Now, here's where things get more specific. Within the Notifications menu, you'll notice something called Notification Categories. Tap on that to reveal a list of different notification types that Chrome can send. Among those categories, you'll find one specifically for Incognito. This is the one we're interested in. Tap on Incognito to open its detailed options. Finally, you'll see a setting that says Show as Pop-up. To enable it, simply toggle the switch on. Once you've done this, Chrome will be allowed to show pop-up notifications whenever you're using Incognito mode, giving you better visibility without needing to pull down your notification shade every time. And that's it, you're all set. By enabling pop-up notifications specifically for Incognito browsing, you're making sure that important alerts won't be missed while still keeping your browsing private. It's quick, easy, and takes less than a minute once you know where to look. If you found this video helpful, make sure to apply the same steps whenever you update your phone or reinstall Chrome, just to ensure your notification settings stay exactly how you want them. Thanks for watching.